Want this edit? Let's start editing. Ready your video clips. Durations are on the screen. For the first clip, add animation fade in and fade out for 0.5 seconds each. Add effect, old TV 2 under TV. Second clip, tap the opacity icon and place two keyframes on the first part of the clip. Reduce the opacity of the first keyframe to 50. Do the same on every clip. Starting on the second clip, add effect, rebound swing under nightclub. Adjust, speed and size 0, and intensity 16. Copy the effect and place the copied effect under every first part of the clip. Back to the second clip, add white photo as overlay. Cover the whole screen and trim the overlay to 0.4 seconds. Use splice overlay and add animation fade out. Just copy and place on every clip. Now remove the music for a while and export the project. Go back to the project and tap the undo to bring back the music. Then add the exported project. And go to this part of the video, and split, then delete the first part. Tap the remaining clip, and tap the transform icon, select the mirror. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content. When finished, export the project.